Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to do a review of a platform I just found out about called Traffic Blaster Pro. Now, what this does, it allows you to get traffic to your affiliate or network marketing opportunities on Autopilot. All right. Now, there is a monthly fee with this particular platform. All right, I'll get as a marketer. So, Traffic Blaster is 100% done for you traffic service and business in a box. These are the prices here. All right, it's $1 for a 7-day trial. You can also join for 6 months and pay $34.90 up front. It's up to you. The monthly fee for it, however, after the dollar trial is $9.90 a month. Okay. Let me go a little bit more into detail of what it is. You can also utilize this as a business opportunity as well. You can earn 50% commissions monthly, so there is a residual income element tied to it as well, right? They lay out everything for you. It's a step-by-step setup, which is only 3 simple steps. I'll go over those in the back office as well if I'm done here, right? You can share the opportunity and get 2 people to join you, and you're getting your traffic free for life. Share with even more, and it begins to build up with payments coming in over and over, okay? You also get 7 bonuses when you join. Here are some of them here. Social media marketing suite. You can get it done for you. Sales funnel to promote the opportunity. Easy hands-free income. Traffic booster. Mailing list maximizer. You get the top 10 list building fails. You get the beginner to super affiliate edge. And you get the secret marketing magnet. All of these are going to be in your back office as well when you join. All right. Let me go over the 3 simple steps. Step 1, submit your link. Step 2, get your sales funnel. Step 3, promote your business. And it really is as simple as those 3 steps to get started. Okay? It doesn't take long for you to get everything set up. I know I did everything in a span of I want to say an hour or so. I had everything set up. It took me a little time to get my link set up, but that's understandable because I signed up at night. I signed up around 11 or 12 o'clock in the evening, so it took me a little while to get that going. But this morning I woke up and got my notification email saying that my link was in rotation, so I'm good to go. All right, and then this is pretty much a sales page, very simple, very basic sales page that explains the opportunity and everything that is about in detail. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to the back office here really quick. All right, again, the 3 simple steps right here. Right, you submit your link, you get your done for you funnel, and you start building your business. Just as it says on the sales letter, okay? There's a welcome video there, of course, as well. Your fast action bonuses will be here. Social media marketing suite, which is just 1 course as of right now for Instagram domination. There's going to be more resources added here soon. You can check out additional offers there for now, and you're able to get a free solo ad as well. All right, so I'm going to go over the steps really quickly. Your first step would be submitting your link to the Traffic Blaster Rotator. All that is, come here. If you purchase an additional spot in the rotator, you can click here and get that set up. Or you can purchase that there, get that there, and then submit it here. Well, you're going to want to go to Hits Connect here. Hits Connect is a free rotator option. Create an account, you get set up there, and submit that particular rotator link to the Traffic Blaster Rotator, which I've already done. I'm going to show you how that looks. Guys, this is really one of those opportunities where if you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, you have multiple opportunities, or even if you have one opportunity, you're going to get traffic on Autopilot to your opportunity on the back end no matter what. Okay? As long as you join, you set up everything the right way, which is very simple to do. These are the campaigns that I have set up. As you can see my name here, so there's no confusion. Welcome, Steven. I set this up last night. I have about 8 links going for me right now, rotating. And these are the hits that I've gotten today. Now remember, again, I set this up last night. I just got the notification early this morning that my rotator link is being rotated in Traffic Blaster, the rotator. So I am getting traffic to my links. I'm getting hits right here. Right, 8 opportunities that I currently promote. I've gotten traffic to each one of them so far. And again, the day is still early. It's only 11 o'clock right now my time, so I have plenty of time to receive more traffic with this. All right. And that's pretty much it, guys. As I said, also there is a commission structure to this as well. You can earn 50% commissions on some of the back-end products that come with Traffic Blaster Pro. You could also earn commissions on the traffic that your members purchase as well. So let me show you that really quick as well too. In the members area, the building your business section, you can come here, click on that. It's going to show you a couple options that you could utilize to purchase traffic from. Okay. As soon as my computer loads it up, I'll show it to you. Okay. Sorry about that. So what's going to happen? You have your Udemy, shows you that has the traffic for me site as well. This is the one here where you could also earn 15% commissions on as well. The TV solo ads. So you could come here, click on that, and remember, if you're a member, you'll be able to click on that bargain pricing for members. So they do offer their own traffic service where you can, purchase traffic from as well, in addition to the current traffic that you're running. And as I said, you do earn 50% commissions on that as well. So that's pretty cool too. More than likely, once people start seeing how the traffic is flowing in to their opportunities through the Traffic Blaster Rotator, they may take a look at the traffic on the back end, and you never know what they might purchase from there. So my computer is taking a while to set this up, and I'm not sure why that is. But once you join Traffic Blaster Pro and you see everything that it entails, everything that it's about, it's very simple. It doesn't take a lot of time to get everything set up. You'll have traffic coming into your offers. It's only a matter of time, right? But let me do this really quick while I still have this here. These are the traffic packages that they offer. You can get started with a small silver pack, $40, and all the way up to 2,000 clicks, which would be $800. You earn 15% commissions on each of these as well. Once you become an affiliate of the opportunity, you get your Traffic Blaster promotion link. You start promoting that as well. You get a couple people to sign up, and you never know what can happen, guys. But again, to wrap this up, all marketers need traffic for their business. Traffic is the bloodline of any business. If you don't have traffic, essentially you're not having a business. So this gives you the opportunity to not only get traffic to your opportunities, to get traffic to your links, but you could also earn commission on the traffic in the back office as well. So when someone joins, purchases traffic, you're going to earn a commission on that. When someone joins, let me show you something real quick as well. When someone joins and they try it out, they do the trial for $1, you earn 50% on that. 50%, I'm sorry. So make sure I got that clear. 50%. So you basically make 50 cents on that on a trial. You earn on this as well, 50% on the front end. All right. So to make sure I got that clear, make sure I got that point to you guys as well, right? So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions about it, feel free to leave a comment. Feel free to, let me know what you think of it once you join and you give it a shot. And again, I want to make sure I reiterate this: 7-day trial, $1, very limited time offer. I can't see a reason why anyone wouldn't want to take advantage of something like this, especially since it's only $1 for a trial, and then it's $9.90 a month for you to get continuous traffic to your rotator link on Autopilot. Your rotator link can hold up to 10 opportunities, right? So if you have multiple opportunities, this is a great way for you to get traffic to all of your opportunities with one link. All right, that's it for me, guys. Hope you have a great day. If you want to check out Traffic Blaster Pro, the link is going to be in the description section. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. This is a great opportunity for so many people. This is something that could help so many people. I highly urge you to take a look at it and check it out and take a real hard look at it. Okay? Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in the next video.